Good morning, guys. So I get a lot of questions in regards to battery powered equipment, and I have my face thing on, so my apologies for the way it sounds. This is the Husqvarna 520 ILX, and this is BLI 300 battery. Now, when I started, this thing was on full, and now it has 3 cells left. Only use 1 cell. And I string trim this property front and back. This property front and back. I haven't mowed yet. This property front and back. And this property front and back. All 4 properties were trimmed just now, and I have that many cells left. Because that's it, the proof. I just wanted to make this quick video to show you, and these are bi-weekly, okay? And my whole thing is give battery power a try. As of right now, I haven't had an opportunity to test the steel or the eco, but this gives me the most longevity. And this trimmer by itself, guys, is only 6 pounds. Yep. And the battery is 3.2 pounds. Okay, so light, long lasting, and effective. Okay, just want to share that with you guys. All right, guys, it is 9:45, and I started this about 8:10. So this is house number 1. This is house number 2. This is house number 3. And that's house number 4. So big backyard, medium, and small. Okay, 1 hour and 45 minutes. Now you may ask, how much did I charge for these properties? Simple. 50 bucks, 50 bucks, 60 bucks, and this one is 50 bucks over here. And they are all bi-weeklies, okay? And some people may say, man, I will starve doing bi-weeklies. Negative. I have weeklies and I have bi-weeklies. So case in point, next week, where these are not scheduled, I have other bi-weeklies that I have in there. See what I mean? And then my weeklies also have a schedule. So everything is on a schedule, and everything is profitable. Okay. So my method, the way I did it was, I started edging, and I used a stick edger, and I started over here, came all the way over here, crossed over, did this one and this one. And what I did different this time is I started trimming. Weed eating, weed whacking, using a whipper snipper with this one, then this one, this one, and this one. And then I mowed this one with the 48 front and back, 48 front and back, 48 front and back, 48 in the front, and the 36 in the back. See what I mean? So that was that's the way I did it today. I usually edge, mow, then trim, and then blow. But this time I changed it up. I edge, I trim, I mowed, and then I blowed. All right, guys. If you have any questions, just put them in the comment below. But yeah, 4 properties, 1 hour and 45 minutes, at a total of 210 bucks. All right, guys, hope this helped. And again, My prices are not your prices, but also don't get, you know, stay encouraged, okay? You know, with and I will tell you guys, eventually I'll come up with a video, a heart-to-heart video about the reality of the lawn care industry. You know, a lot of stuff that people say are not true, or not, but they don't say it with the intention of misleading you. It's just that, you know, it is said so much, but there's a lot of factors that that make us say what we say. Okay. All right. Have a blessed one. Leave your questions and comments below. Pop Smoke. Peace.